Gentlemen, welcome back to the Looks Maxing Club, where we're all about helping you unlock your maximum potential as a man. Today we're diving into the secrets of achieving that coveted glass skin look that you see all over Instagram. So stick around as we break down the process into 4 simple and easy steps, which are actually the foundation of the Korean skincare routine. To keep this video simple, we won't tell you basic things like drinking enough water and eating proper food, because you already know that. Let's dive into step number 1, which is cleansing, which is the foundation of your skincare routine. But you would use an advanced cleansing system, known as the double cleansing method, which comes from Korea. You would first start with oil cleansing. Using any of these facial oils, gently rub and massage your face for about a minute, and then wipe it off with a soaked towel or wash with lukewarm water. Doing the oil cleanse first will make all the dirt and grime on your face come off. Now you move on to your second cleanse, using a gentle hydrating cleanser. This will help you get rid of the excess oil and dead skin that is clogging your pores, which can lead to acne. The best way of doing this is using an electric cleansing brush, as it is much more effective than your fingertips in pulling out the dirt and oil stuck deep inside your pores. You should always finish off with a splash of cold water. Doing that will tighten your pores, which prevents any bacteria entering your freshly cleansed face. Now your face is prepped for the next step, which is exfoliating. This is to get rid of all the dead skin and even out your skin tone. You want to use a chemical exfoliant like this one, which contains BHA. Using a chemical exfoliant is much better than using a granular scrub, which can actually damage the sensitive skin on your face. To use this liquid exfoliant, you should take a quarter size of it in a cotton pad or just the palm of your hand, and gently rub it onto your face, allowing it to dry and absorb. You should only be doing this 2 or 3 times a week, spaced out between 2 to 3 days. Do not overdo it. We men like overdoing things because we want quick results, but you need to be patient and consistent. Now you are ready for the next step in your glass skin routine, which really takes it to the next level, and that is using an essence. This is much more effective than just using a moisturizer, and it is an essential part of the Korean glassy skin routine. Using an essence not only gives you a boost of moisturization, but also locks it in. A good essence also contains essential nutrients for the skin, ensuring that your face stays soft and hydrated. To use, just gently tap it onto your face and let it dry. Do not try to rub it in. A great benefit of using an essence after you shave is that it will soothe any post-shave irritation and redness which could cause blemishes. Moving on to the final step, which is for the daytime, and that is using a sunscreen. It is essential for your face, as it protects you from the harmful UV rays of the sun, preventing premature aging, wrinkles, and an uneven skin tone. You want to apply a sunscreen specially after you use the chemical exfoliant because you don't want to get sunburns. There you have it, gents. 4 simple steps for achieving that coveted glass skin. Now you can find all of these recommended products in the mall and spend time looking for them, or simply go to our website link in the description where we already have them curated just for you. Remember, gents, these steps are no rocket science. You can start doing these today to get perfect glassy skin. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure that you subscribe to catch our next video for the perfect nighttime routine. Remember, gentlemen, you are amazing.